Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. In this tutorial we are going to learn how we can use size classes in Xcode 9 by using vary for traits. Size classes used to make a single design work fine in all devices. I am designing a screen for landscape and portrait mode. I have created a demo for it. So let's look into the demo. So this is the demo, this is the portrait mode, and as I convert this portrait mode in landscape mode, the design is changed and I only used a single screen for this. So after this tutorial we are able to make something like this. So let's create an app, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my videos. So let's create an app. Open an Xcode project, click on single view application, click on next, give the name whatever you want to give. I'm just giving auto layouts demo. Please don't forget to the language, select language should be Swift. Click on next. Create where you want to create. Now switch to storyboard. So first we have to take 4 views. So let's take 4 views. Now just change the color of this view. You can choose any color which you want. I'm just choosing a random colors. Now copy this view 4 times so that we have 4 views, or we can drag and drop. For copying, press alt and just drag and drop view and just release the button. It will copy the view. So I'm just copying 4 views and I'm changing the color of these 4 views. I just changed the 4. Now I'm just, before giving any constraints, first we have to select the vary for traits. Just click on vary for traits and width, click on width and height. Now this will show that on which device we have to create a constraint. So there are list of devices. I'm just selecting an iPhone. Now just giving constraint for this phone. These are the basic constraints which we learned already. Now this is not coming good because we didn't pass one constraint, that is equal width and equal height. So for that, press Ctrl, drag and drop and select equal width and equal height and add constraint. Same process on this view controller as well. Now all the views having a equal height and equal width. Now click on done vary for traits. These constraints are only established for portrait mode, not a landscape mode. As we click on landscape mode, the constraints are not set. So this is not coming over here. So now again click on vary for traits, select width and height. Now on which device we have to create a constraint, select the device, and now just giving the constraints for individual views. First of all, I'm just make the views come on my screen. Now we have to give the similar constraints 0 0 1. This is the best way. Now one more constraint, equal width and equal height. It's still showing red. I'll tell you the reason after some time when I give the same constraint for this bottom view as well. Now one more constraint, equal width and equal height. These they both are showing red because I didn't give our bottom constraint to this view. So for that, or we didn't pass anything which makes relation between these two views. So for that, equal width and equal height. So as I pass that constraint, it will automatically work fine. And press done verify traits. As we click on verify traits, our work is done. Now we can see that when we select our lens portrait mode, it will show 4 views in a straight line, and as we click on portrait mode, it will show the 4 views in a different way. So let's run this application. So this is loaded, and as I change the orientation of this application, it will look like this. So this is the best way for in Xcode 9 to create a application in different size classes. So this is for today. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you.